Number 28. Which row describes self-pollination? So self-pollination, well, let's talk about pollination first. So pollination happens when the pollen grains from anther reaches the stigma. So this is the stigma. The stigma of the female part of the plant. This is the anther, which is the male part of the plant. And these are pollen grains. Okay. So pollens transferring from anther to stigma is pollination. But if the pollens from one plant travels to the stigma of the same plant, then it's called self-pollination. So different flower on the same plant. Yes. This is a trick one. It says different flower on the same plant. So although we see a lot of flowers, like a lot of pictures like this, and we immediately think that, okay, there's one flower per plant, but that's not true. In one plant, there can be multiple flowers, but they are exactly same things. So exactly same organisms, or it's like they're like clones. Okay. So, but this one, a flower on a different plant of the same species, no. Nope, self-pollination is not. It's not the movement of pollen from anther to stigma of a flower on different plant of same species. So it sounds a bit ambiguous and it's quite confusing. This means same species. Okay. Different plant of same species mean they are the same species, but they are different flowers or different plants. So they have exactly different genetic information. They have different genes. So the second one means that the pollen is moving from here to here. This one refers to this. So it's not self-pollination. This is cross-pollination. Okay, so same flower, yes. So B is the answer for this one. The middle one is not the right description for the self-pollination, but these two are. Okay, so B is the right answer.